Hey folks, this is Bubba with Dreamscapes. I bet you're wondering what I've got here beside me. Well, this is my sleeping bag. And I'm going to need it because today we're leaving Memphis and we're heading 437 miles to Limestone, Tennessee, which is Davy Crockett's hometown, the king of the wild frontier. We're going to be building a pond for a homeowner that her and her husband, they've moved down from Massachusetts, got tired of the northern weather and decided they wanted to move to the south. Along with that, they brought over 30 koi with them, some of them over 20 years old. Well, guys, when we arrive, this pond's going to be a 16 by 20 pond with an intake bay. We're going to have a wetland bog filter that's going to filter out with the mass amount of koi that they have. They'll need a big bog for it, so we're going to do that. We're approximating probably around 14,000 gallons of water going into this pond, and a couple of nice little streams, a little nice waterfall, just something she can relax and enjoy. Stay tuned and tell us what you think. Hey folks, we're out here at Davy Crockett State Park. We've got pond camp this week, it looks like. David's getting the tent set up here. It is 6:30 at night. We're trying to beat the daylight. Let's see if we can't get this thing set up in no time flat. As you can see, our tent here, look at this baby. Ringling Brothers and Barnum & Bailey has come to Davy Crockett. There's Mr. Barnum right there, and you got the Ringling Brothers right here together. Good morning, folks. We're in Limestone, Tennessee. We're out here fixing to build a pond for some koi that have been transported all the way up from the state of Massachusetts. They come on an 18-hour drive, transported in the back of a horse trailer. Let's take a look in here and see what we got. Check these fellas out. She said she put them in the trailer of a horse, back in a horse trailer. Some of them are over 20 years old. When they moved down here, she said she had to have a home for a koi. And today we're getting ready to build it. Had a couple trees taken out and we're having to dig a stump out this morning. So, but over in this area, we're going to be putting a bog. It's going to be flowing off into a pond. It's going to be roughly a 15 by 25. Going to have an intake bay down at the end. And we'll see what we got. It's about 12 o'clock. We're about 2 hours into the job so far. We got some horses. See what the guys have got going over this way now. It must be rough. David's already sitting down on a pallet of stone. This is a collaboration build here with New Hope Aquascape and Landscaping. Hey, I've got a hole dug. Looky there, looky, looky.
Start on me, Bubba.
Start? Start what?
Start. Probe.
This is Collaboration Nation, my friend.
With my stick.
Fella, hey, big fella, what you doing? Darian's in timeout at this moment. Here we go, and drop in the liner. 25 by 50 liner going in. Got the underlayment in the first part. The boys are getting ready.
Couple of hot dogs, couple of burgers, couple of fries. Just something so they can have a bite or two.
A little snack, what was that again?
Couple of burgers, couple of fries, couple of hot dogs.
All right, we got boulders.
Hey, if you want a doctor enough with piles, they sell it in a cup.
Some boulders going in, starting stone.
Too large, doctor enough.
A little bit more digging left to do. Do what?
I said, you ain't got a lot to be my friend. He said, you was here at 7 o'clock. I said, you ain't got a lot to be my friend.
Pond stoned in, starting to fill up. Got the wetland bog over here. Got Memphis Mike delivering some gravel. This all dressed up. This is the snorkel. That's where you'll clean out all the old fish poop. Most of the pond stoned in. Got the bog done. Tomorrow we'll be building a little waterfall up here. Burying the pipe, cleaning up. Gonna look good. Well, a lot of cleanup left to do though. Alright, we got this. Got Mike doing edge treatment. Doing a beautiful job, might I add. Memphis Mike, shall I say. He's going to soon be coming to Memphis or traveling with us on a few road shows. He'll do the traveling road show with us. Coming along, a little cleanup left to do. Got most of the water in here. A little more water to come up. Yeah, there you go. What do you think about it?
Tell them how much you love your new pond net.
I do. Fabulous, especially because I didn't have to dig it myself.
Well guys, thanks for watching this episode with us. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did building that pond for John and Mary. The Corps are going to love it. It's going to be a great habitat for them, for their ducks that they have, a couple of pet ducks. It's going to be a long time they're going to enjoy for years to come. If you will, take a moment, comment, like, and share our website at midsouthponds.com. Thank you.